If you have a dream or a goal that you just keep postponing on, I want you to know that you know enough and it's time to jump. And I'm talking to you, but I'm also talking to my younger self. I wish somebody had told her this. I used to have big self-worth issues. I still do, but I've come a long way. And I used to turn to perfectionism, but I realized that it was always a form of procrastination because I didn't feel good in who I was. So I would be reading lots of books, lots of courses, taking lots of certifications to feel good enough. But I never arrived at my dream because I was too scared to actually take action. My biggest goal when I was in my early 20s was to be able to quit my 9 to 5, never having to go back to that hamster wheel. It was after reading the book The 4-Hour Workweek, and I saw this book cover with the hammock by the palm trees, and I was thinking, that is what I want. I want that freedom. So I read the book and I learned everything about how to start an online business. I created my website and I felt like I was taking all this action, but when it came time to actually launching what was my dropshipping store at the time, I kept postponing it because I thought, I'm not sure about the font. I think it needs to be a different font. Or like, I'm not sure about the product descriptions. And eventually I met my partner and we're still together now 7 years later. And he was a full-time content creator and he was doing the business model that I wanted. And I noticed he was taking so much messy action. Like he would write the blog post and then publish it before proofreading even. And I was like, why are you being so reckless? This is not how you make money. But he was making a lot of money and I hadn't made a single dollar from my business. So I thought, okay, he must be doing something right. So I started taking action before I was feeling ready and before my content was feeling ready. And eventually I was able to make this my full-time income. I haven't had a job now for over 8 years. And here's the truth that I learned. You're not stuck because you don't know enough. You're stuck because you're not moving. So after this video, you're going to feel so confident, so ready to jump in and go after your dream life, and it's gonna manifest sooner than you think. So the first point that you need to know is that messy action is what will move you forward. And if you're like me, I always thought that clarity comes first. Like first I gotta be crystal clear what my niche is, crystal clear what my brand is, and then I can take action. But what I've learned is that clarity actually comes after action. So as long as you have a vague idea of what your goal is, start taking actions and you will realize what feels good and what's working. And literally expect it not to be perfect. For example, if you want to start a podcast, know that the first few episodes is gonna be cringe. And lean into that. No, that is absolutely fine. If you look at your favorite podcasters' first podcast or your favorite YouTubers, their first YouTube video, they're gonna be super awkward, low quality, they didn't know what they were doing, but they did it anyway. They took messy action and that's how they got where they are today. And the reason for this is because messy action builds momentum and momentum builds everything else. The second thing you need to know is that you already have the wisdom inside you. You've lived things, you've struggled with things, you've learned the hard way, and that is your value. You don't need to be the most advanced person, the most expert person in the room. You just need to be honest about what you know and who you can help. There are people right now who are exactly where you were a year ago, and what feels basic to you would change everything for them. For example, at the start of my career, I was a nomad coach. So I wanted to teach people how to become a digital nomad. But I had limiting beliefs of I had just become a nomad myself. I was not earning much money. But my clients were so happy because they saw I was traveling around the world. I no longer needed a job, and that was all they needed. I didn't need to have a PhD or 100 certifications or had lived the digital nomad lifestyle for centuries. And we think that what we know is common knowledge. But for somebody who hasn't even started yet, what you know is life-changing. The third thing that you need to know is that you were given these experiences for a reason. Nothing that you've been through is random. The challenges, the confusions, the things you had to figure out on your own, those are your tools. I truly believe that pre-birth, you were given a specific set of experiences that would one day allow you to guide others. I've read many books about past life regression therapy, and there is this pattern that the facilitators see, that we're planning our lives pre-birth to have certain experiences to lead us to our purpose. So for example, if you had a really traumatic childhood, you might think, what was the point of that? That's not fair. Is there even a God? But perhaps that turned you towards healing modalities. While people who had a really peaceful childhood might not be interested in those things, might not even know about healing. And you became a healer, and then you can help heal others or teach other people how to heal themselves. So your experiences became this trigger for your purpose. So think about, what have you experienced? What challenges? And how do they lead you to who you are today? What transformations have you gone through? That is a key to your purpose this lifetime. That is a key on how you can help people, what you can coach people in. And by the way, if you want the exact templates on how to create a product, how to grow on social media so you never have to work your old job again, then book your free business clarity call. Link in the description. We have a few more calls this week. The fourth thing that you need to know is that you only need to be a few steps ahead. We touched upon this before, that most people think, who am I to teach this? I'm not an expert yet. But here's the thing, you don't actually need to be an expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're helping. That's it. Because the person who is just behind you doesn't need perfection. They need someone who just gets it. Someone who remembers what it feels like to be where they are. And that is you. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. You don't need more time. You don't need more knowledge. You need to trust that what you already have is enough to begin. And the path will reveal itself as you walk it. But you have to take the first step. And when you keep taking messy action, your ego will start to feel, okay, I'm safe, I didn't die. And now it's no longer uncomfortable. For example, I used to be so scared of filming videos, but now it's my favorite part of my work. And I actually wake up on Mondays excited to film and talk to you guys. You have so much wisdom to share with the world, beautiful light worker. It's time to jump. I believe in you. And if you're ready to jump, watch my next video, Best Business Model for Spiritual People. It's somewhere around this video. Love you guys and see you in the next episode.